Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a whipped cream nozzle. First, gather your materials, such as parchment paper or a sturdy plastic bag. Next, carefully cut a square or triangle shape from your chosen material. Then, roll the material into a cone, ensuring the seam is tightly secured to prevent any leaks. This forms the basic structure of your homemade piping bag, ready for the next step. Now, let's shape the tip for different designs. Trim the narrow end of your cone to create an opening. For a classic star tip, cut a small V-shape into the opening. If you prefer a round, smooth piping, simply make a straight cut across the tip. Experiment with different angles and sizes to achieve various decorative effects for your desserts. With your nozzle ready, it's time to fill it. Carefully spoon your prepared whipped cream into the wide end of the cone. Once filled, twist the wide end tightly to push the cream towards the tip. When piping, apply gentle, even pressure to ensure a consistent flow and beautiful decorations. Practice makes perfect for those elegant swirls. To achieve the best results, always practice your piping technique on a plate first. This helps you get a feel for the pressure and movement needed. Remember to use fresh, cold whipped cream, as it holds its shape much better and provides a cleaner finish. For more great deals and to enhance your home with smart speaker technology, check the link in the description below. We've got some fantastic offers waiting for you there, so don't miss out on upgrading your space.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.